Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. For today's video, I realized that while I do a lot of cloud pours because I really love the effect, I don't think I've done an orange one. I realized this because I was going through my old leftover paint that I'm trying to use up as part of my New Year's resolution, and realized I have a lot of orange and I don't really use it that often. So for this video, I'm going to use my leftover dollar store orange, which was actually a combination of kind of a yellowy orange from the dollar store with a little bit of red from the dollar store. And then Anita's all-purpose acrylic in Mandarin, DecoArt Satin and Enamel white with a little bit of Artist Loft Flow acrylic and Floetrol. They all have Floetrol. So even though this looks like it's just paint from a container, it's already mixed with Floetrol. Because using up my old paint is all about trying to get out of my comfort zone, I'm actually going to use this kind of turquoisey blue. This is another Anita's all-purpose acrylic. It is Deep Blue Sea. So this could create mud with the two together, so I'm going to try to be a little careful with it, and I don't want to use much. I just want this for a little bit of definition. This is all about experimenting, so we'll see what happens. There is a chance that there could be clumps in here because this is leftover paint, and if that happens, I'll just try to get it out as I see it. All right, this looks super cool, and luckily the turquoise didn't mix that much. There's a couple of kind of muddy spots, but you can see the distinct colors as well. So I'm going to blow on this a little bit and then also hit it with my torch and then probably let it sit for a while, and then we can take a closer look. I am also going to prop this end up. I think I might even go under the plastic to prop it up because this isn't level and the paint wants to come this way. And we're back. I actually left this for probably about 40 or 45 minutes in hopes that we would get some more cloud cells forming, but it ended up looking almost exactly like it did right after I poured it. I was really hoping for a bunch of cloud cells with the orange, but I think I'll just have to try that again maybe in the next couple weeks. I think part of it was I was being a little bit careful about layering white in between turquoise and orange, and so I probably didn't force enough air bubbles into the mixtures as I could have. So I'll try that next time. But for now, this looks really neat, and I love that the turquoise ended up staying throughout. So let's go a little closer in. So you see some of the turquoise up in here with the orange. And I just love all the layers that you get from a tree ring pour. It's just so cool. And of course, the obligatory, this is going to dry darker than it looks. So we might get some more cool definition through there. This part is really, really pretty. I love this turquoise in here. And the reason turquoise and orange look so nice together is they are on opposite sides of the color wheel from each other, and those always tend to look super nice next to each other. But just remember, those colors mixed together can create a muddy look. But if you're careful when you layer them into your cup and keep a neutral color that won't muddy either of the other colors in between, like white, then it is still possible to use both colors successfully in the same pour. Overall, this turned out really neat, and I'm really thankful that my challenge to myself is kind of causing me to step out of my comfort zone. I don't usually use orange, and I usually try to avoid putting colors together that could create mud. Have you tried any paint pours lately that made you step out of your comfort zone? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.